Duke thinks you're...
Duke and I are videoing.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my hat. Gotta have my hat. Come on in.
Yeah, you gotta have your hat on. The temperature's just right for riding. It's not too hot and not too cold.
I've ridden out here when there was ice in these creek beds.
Man, that's cold. I don't think I'd want to bring the Jeep down here.
No, there was a gal in a big four-wheel drive pickup.
Oh my God.
And she was out here rock hunting with another lady or two.
Oh.
It was a new rig, and she was headed down here, and I said, "You can't go down there."
Oh, it's good thing you told her.
I said, "You'll get somewhere where you can't go through, and then you won't be able to back out."
Yeah.
There's a little spring up in that canyon too. And the next one. And there's often water in this dry creek bed.
Oh, I bet. I bet that's wild in the spring, huh?
Never too much. Easy enough to cross. I've seen Sucker Creek so full I couldn't cross it.
Oh, it's still pretty full, huh?
Now, right here, you see that rock up there?
Yeah.
My buddy Roger, he thought he had to hit it with speed.
No, you don't do that.
He was on a four-wheel
You don't do that.
ATV,
That?
and he flipped it and rolled it down into this gully.
Oh, Ken, that's terrible.
And we got it right side up. And Terry Simon pulled it out, but once he got over the crest, it ran away and ran down, turned Terry's four-wheeler sideways and rolled it. And it chased Terry down the hill. It was a hell of a...
Well, he's a wonder it didn't break his neck.
He broke his ankle. He walked on it after that, but he ended up with a plate in it.
Wow.
We're in four-wheel drive grind.
There you go.
When I went over this rock yesterday, I took the gap on this side.
Hang on, Duke. Hang on, Duke. Wow.
And I got out of shape and ended up out there in the grass. So you can see my tracks where I followed looking for my fanny pack.
Yeah. Boy, this thing does do good.
You like that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's nice.
So that's Strode's Basin, the west end of it, the east end of it.
That soda fire burned a lot of the sagebrush, huh?
It's all gone, yeah. Well, there's a spot over there where there was a spring and the sagebrush didn't burn.
Yes.
And we had such a wet winter that there's sagebrush where there never was before. Now this is Sage Creek Crossing.
Okay.
We're going down in that hole.
Wow.
My brother and Mike Stimmel broke this trail.
Wow.
It was just a single track. And then the ATVs found it. And then the four-wheel drives found it.
That's why it looks like this.
There was a three-wheeler went off right there.
Sure did. Those are kind of dangerous on a road like this.
Yeah.
Trail.
I've seen one come through here before from a distance. Okay, you think we can get through there?
No.
Huh?
No.
I think we can.
Oh my heavens. Duke says, oh my gosh.
We can get through there. It's
for heaven's sake.
easy.
Oh my heavens.
Easy. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Oh my gosh.
Now I've been upside down right here when there was water in it.
Oh.
And there's water in it now, but it's underneath the rocks. I told you we could get through there.
You were right. He is excited.
A lot of rock. And those big rocks will turn your front wheel into a pretzel.
Boy, sometimes that gets a lot of water in it, you can tell.
Duke likes to play in there when it's full of water. See that rock right there? Grass grows up around it so you can't see it.
Oh.
Okay, we can probably ditch the goggles now.